Okay. Let's go there, man. Go. As it. Okay. Today we are going to be talking on the same liquidity. You know, that guys that said that comment on my channel, I should do more live video. So this video, I'm doing it for you guys. I'm doing it for you. So we'll talk about liquidity and liquidity inducement and liquidity smart money. You see, and liquidity retail trader. All these things are different. There's a way to use them in the financial market. For example, if I come to my Euro USD now, this Euro USD, you see, this one they did here, this is a liquidity that they was taking here. This is a liquidity. This liquidity was taken here. As the liquidity was taken here, liquidity was here that was taken. So this liquidity that was taken here, call it liquidity. Now, when they clear that liquidity, this sell side liquidity, let me just use capital sell side liquidity, SSL, that was taken here. This sell side liquidity that was taken here. After they take the sell side, it was this impulsive move that took out the liquidity, this one here. Now, when you want to trade it, you wait for the last sell candle, the last sell candle. This was the last sell candle after the liquidity was taken out. So this last sell candle now is our order block. And we want the buyers to trade above this order block. After they trade above it, they came to it. Yeah, you could have taken your buy, that is the first buy. They move again and break the structure to the upside, giving me another buy here, second buy here again. So I missed this first move, but the second one I did not miss it, because after a break of structure, they came here back. They break structure here. They also took structure here. So they came back to this last order block here. This last order block. So after they came back to the last order block, what happened? I took my buy here, and the market moved up and start buying, coming to this here, to this place. So what am I saying? Liquidity taking and the last OB is very, very profitable in the financial market. Refer my channel to people that are struggling in the financial market. Forex is simple, it's not hard. Just trade a simple pattern, simple structure. Before you know, you have a lot of money. So you don't have to trade this one, trade this, trade all cumbersome strategy that trade one. Learn how to trade. Just learn how to trade only one asset, highest 2 or 3. It's okay for you. From there, boom, you can. Once you have mastered that one asset, from that one asset, you distribute to other assets. From that one assets, you can analyze other assets. That is how we trade the market. So you use one to learn. From one, you cannot be from there. You're advancing to 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So after the liquidity was taken here, search for the last buy candle, the last sell candle before the up move, for the break of structure. There was the last sell candle, 15 minutes, boom, they came to it here. The buy started here and it's still buying. So that's it, guys. But there's something I want to show you on NASDAQ. Something happened on NASDAQ. If you go to NASDAQ, you see this thing, this movement they are doing now. This fake movement is fake. This movement is fake. We call it inducement. I know this buy they are buying now is not real. It's fake. It's inducement. That's what they are doing. Why did I say it's inducement? See, if you go to like 15 minutes, you will see that liquidity was taken here. Let me show you something. You know, these people, they are so funny. Very, very funny. Let me show you something. Like this one was on 1 minute. I saw this thing. Let me go to 1 minute and see if I can see spot it out on this 1 minute. This one was 1 minute. Yes, it was 1 minute. Now, see what they did here. You know that this trend line was a liquidity, trend line liquidity. This trend line liquidity that was here. Now, this trend line liquidity, they were using it to buy. Now, they use this move, this impulsive move, to take the trend line liquidity out here. After they're taking that trend line liquidity, what happened? They rally up and break this high. Now, we want the market to come back here for a buy. This become our last buy this thing. Yeah, supposed to have bought this market here. But buying this market here, it was not correct. The movement they did here was liquidity inducement. So the buy was not correct. I didn't buy, rather I sold the market. I wish I can show you my screen now. Myself, this thing. I sold the market. I sold the market. See, this is 15 minutes. This is the last second they used to took out this liquidity. And the market coming back to it here in this order now. By right, you're supposed to have said, okay, we will use this place now as our buy zone, which they have used already. But coming back to this place here is another different case. Now, they came here now, they started buying up. They are buying this market to the upside now. But it's not a rebuy. I know why it's not a rebuy. They will still come back to this point here. They are also inducing people to buy this market now. It's an inducement they are doing, inducing people to buy this market. They are inducing people to buy it, but they are coming back again to do the rebuy. So they have not come to my entry point. My buys have not been activated yet. So I'm waiting for an activation. So that is how we trade the market. It doesn't mean because they are making the movement now, I will rush and enter. No, you don't rush and enter. You wait for them to come to your, point. You wait for them to come to your point before you buy it. So that is how it is, guys. So you have to practice, make perfect. Although it's not wrong for you to buy this market here in this last OB, because this was the last candle here. This big candle here. It was the last candle. Look at it, very big. From here to here is 50% of it. So you can use 50% to buy this market here and put your stop loss below it. That's it. You can still buy it. But me, I'm not buying yet. I'm waiting. There's a place I'm going to buy this market. So that is how it is, guys. So when you understand the financial market, you trade one pattern. You master that one pattern. Anywhere you see it, what the market is doing, where they are going to, what they want to do, you know, the direction, the angle, what they are doing, you know. You are not just trading the market because of you want to make money. No, you are trading because you understand the market, what they are doing. So guys, join my Telegram channel. Please give me a like and comment. And also, if you want mentorship and training, as far as January is concerned, we are starting training and mentorship. So if you want to be trained and mentor, to be profitable in this financial market, we are here for you. So come to my DM. We give you our course syllabus on forex trading. So we have course syllabus on forex trading. We have course syllabus. So the course syllabus we give to you, then you follow it one by one. In this course syllabus, you'll be trained and taught very, very well, so that you will understand the market direction, market pattern, market structure, and all those things, and understand what the market is doing. So that's how it is, guys. So this market is still coming down. So this movement they are doing is fake. It's fake. It's an inducement. So we are not buying it yet. I didn't buy it. The point where I want them to come to, they are not getting there. So there's no need of me buying it. Wait, I will buy it later. So that is how it is, guys. This one here is still moving up. It has not getting to my TP. So I will still wait until get to my TP. So why this one here, as I just explained before, what they did here, there's a reason why I said that they have not come to the point I wanted to come to. There's a reason why I said this thing here. So because there's an inducement here, there's also this pin buy here, liquidity run. This liquidity run. So this liquidity run that is here. You see, I'm mentioning the name. You see, if you are not trained, you can't just grab everything once. We have liquidity grab, which is liquidity run. We have liquidity inducement. We have liquidity pin taking. You see, all these things are what you have to know under liquidity. So if you master liquidity pattern, liquidity way of trading, anything the market is doing, you read it as liquidity. If you are a retail trader, smart money, me, I trade retail, patterns. I trade smart money patterns. I also trade liquidity inducement, the way bank trade. So I have this 3 strategy. I trade all of them. I use it to analyze the market. Whatever the market is doing, I look it from the eye of a retail trader. I look it for the eye of a smart money trader. And I also look it from the eye of trading liquidity inducement to see what the market want to do. So the one that play out for me, that is the one I choose. And from there, I trade the structure. So that is how it is, guys. Please refer my channels to others to learn. And also, if you have any question, please come to my Telegram group and ask me. I will attend to you. Thank you, guys. Remain blessed and remain profitable. That's it. So where is that my music again? Let me play some more. Okay, here we go. Peace.